Now, simplest form of fraction. Simplest form. Simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be a fraction is said to be simplest. A fraction is said to be simplest form is to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. A fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except one. These are called the simplest form. For example, 2 upon 3. It is in the simplest form. Because its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Its HCF is 1. So it is in simplest form. Now 5 upon 11. 5 upon 11 is also in simplest form because they have HCF is 1. So these are the simplest form. Now I will start exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. Question number first. A part. Write a fraction of are all these fractions equivalent? We have to write a fraction. These are the figures are given and we have to write a fraction. Fraction are 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 8. Are all these fractions equivalent? Yes. 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 2 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 6, 4 upon 8. These are equal to 1 upon 2. So yes, all these fractions are equivalent. It is clear? If we divide 2 upon 4 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So it is 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 1 upon 2, it is 4 upon 8, 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. It is also 1 upon 2. So all these fractions are equivalent. Now same as B part. So you can solve it. Now I will solve question number 3. Replace box in each of the following by the correct numbers. A part 2 upon 7 equal to 8 upon box. We have to fill the box. So how can we fill the box? 2 upon 7. Here we observe that numerator is 8. So we can write it 2 upon 7 equal to 2 upon 7 multiply 4 upon 4. 2 4 is 8. So 8 upon 7 7 4 the 28. So box is 28. Missing number is 28. It is clear? Now B part. 5 upon 8 equal to 10 upon box. 5 upon 8 equal to 10 upon box. So we observe that if we multiply by 2, then numerator will be 10. So we can write it 5 upon 8 equal to 5 upon 8 multiply 2 upon 2. 5 to the 10, 8 to the 60. So box is 60. So missing value is 60. This type we can find the missing value. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5 having denominator 20. Having denominator 20. So we have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. And we have to find the denominator 20. So we will multiply by 4. 4 upon 4. Now 3 4 are 12, 5 4 are 20. So 12 upon 20. Denominator is 20. So equivalent fraction is 12 upon 20, whose denominator is 20. B part, numerator 9. So we can write it 3 upon 5 equal to 3 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 3. 3 3 are 9, 5 3 are 15. So 9 upon 15 is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Now question number 5. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 with numerator 9 and denominator 4. Numerator 9, 36 upon 48 is given and we have to convert the numerator 9. So what will you do? 36 divided by 48 divided by 4 upon 4. 4 9 is 36 and 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 9 upon 12 is the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48. Now 9 is the numerator. Then 36 upon 48. We have to convert in denominator 4. We have to convert in denominator 4. What will you do? We will divide by denominator 4. So we will divide by 12. 12 3 is 36. 12 4 is 48. So 3 upon 4 is the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Check whether the given fraction are equivalent or not. Check the given fraction are equivalent or not. A part 5 upon 9, 30 upon 54. We have to check these numbers are equivalent or not. Now 5 upon 9 multiply by 6 upon 6. 5 6 are 30, 9 6 are 54. 30 upon 54. Its second number is also 30 upon 54. So both numbers are equivalent. So 5 upon 9 and 30 upon 4, 30 upon 54 are equivalent. Now B part, 3 upon 10 and 12 upon 50. 12 upon 50. 3 upon 10 and 12 upon 50. We have to check these fractions are equivalent or not. Now we will convert 3 upon 10 multiply 5 upon 5. 3 5 are 50, 10 5 are 50. Denominators are same. Second number is 12 upon 50, but numerators are different. Denominators are same, but denominator are same, but numerator are different. So both fractions are not equivalent. So 3 upon 10 over 12 upon 50 are not equivalent. It is clear? Now question number 7. Question number 7. Reduce the following fraction to simplest form. Reduce the following fraction to simplest form. Reduce the following fraction. The following fraction to simplest form. Now A part, 48 upon 60. 48 upon 60. First of all, we will find the SCF of 48 and 60. We will find the SCF of 48 and 60. So we will find the SCF by, there are two methods to find the SCF. One is prime factorization method and second is division method. So we can find the SCF by any method. So we will find SCF by division method. 48 divided by 60. 48 by 48. 12 divided in 48. 12 for the 48. The remainder is 0. So SCF is 4. SCF is 4. So divide by 4. 4 से divide 12, 15. 12 upon 15 is the simplest form of the 48 upon 60. Now B part, 150 upon 60. 150 upon 60. So first of all we will find the SCF. Now SCF is we will find the SCF by prime factorization method या division method. 60 divided by 150. 60 to the 120. Now remainder is 30. Dividing 60, 60 to the 30 to the 60. So remainder is 0. SCF is 30. SCF is 30. Now divide by 30. 0 से 0, 3 5 जा 15 और 3 2 जा 6. 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 is the simplest form of this fraction. This type we can solve other question. Now we can take D part. D part 12 upon 52. 12 upon 52. First of all, we will find the HCF. 12 divided by 52. 12 4 is 48. Remainder is 4. Divided 12. 4 3 is 12. So remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, then HCF is 4. So divide by 4 upon 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 1 is 4 and 4 3 is 12. So 3 upon 30 is the simplest form of this